So now we're in the top 64. I'm gonna check to see where I'm in top 64. All right, so I'm not there. Not there. I know I'm gonna see myself. Should be top 64 somewhere. What the hell? I'm way over here. I'm way over here. Where was it? Yeah, there I go. Who is this guy? Who's this guy? Oh, yeah, okay, I'll win that one. And let me see, bruh. Okay, so I'll win that one. So I'll lose to Kami or yeah, I'll lose to Kami because Kami's gonna win. So I'll lose to Kami. Oh well, whatever. Um, let's see what's going on here. I gotta vote. I gotta vote. I gotta vote. I gotta vote. Vote. Oh man, I voted everything. Ah yes. Ah yes. I voted for everything. I voted the whole farm. Maybe I'll win. We'll see. Let's see how I win. I'm so busy looking at my ranking, man. I didn't. Doesn't matter. Looks like I may win because this seems pretty rocking here. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, he's eating it. Yeah, man, she rocks as a support tank. Damn, I don't think anybody does the job better. Oh well, I just want to win because I betted a lot on this. I didn't really want to do that, but oh well. Damn. Oh, I won. Oh, thank God.